Hey everyone, want to verify Google Analytics is working correctly? In this video, I'll show you how to check and confirm your Google Analytics setup step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the website property you want to verify from your Analytics dashboard. Now open the real-time report. This section helps you check whether Google Analytics is receiving live visitor data from your website. Next, open your website in a new browser tab or on another device. Browse a few pages on your website and return to the real-time report to see if your activity appears. If you can see active users and page views, your Google Analytics tracking code is working correctly. If no data appears, check that your Google Tag or Measurement ID is installed properly on your website. Next, use tools like the Browser Developer Tools or Google Tag Assistant to confirm that the Analytics tag is loading correctly. Also, make sure your website is published, your tracking code is placed in the correct location, and there are no settings blocking data collection. Finally, wait for more visitors to interact with your website and review your reports to confirm that data continues to be collected. And that's how to verify Google Analytics. By checking real-time data, your tracking code, and your website settings, you can make sure your analytics setup is working properly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.